I'm out here at Angeles Press with Akiko. Very last minute she asked me if I could help her fly a drone for a proposal today. I haven't flown a regular drone in a long time, mostly fly my Avata drone. Last time I flew DJI Mini, it was Norville's, and I crashed it into a tree in Hokkaido.
Flashback.
Oh, I don't know if I can get...
Oh, and by the way, did he tell you he crashed my drone, my brand new drone, into the closest tree to him? I mean, like, look how open this area is. And look how low the trees are.
End of flashback.
I brought my Avata anyways, so might do a little bit of flying. The couple is arriving in about 20 minutes, so should probably set up for that first before I fly my own drone, but we are getting close to sunset time. And we might not have that much light later, so we'll see how it goes. So you said vertical, right? Why is it asking me to log in? Do you normally shoot on cinematic or normal? Doesn't matter? So pretty up here, especially with the sun rays in the background.